Hey folks, Adam here. It's a Monday morning, and before I get started and tell you all about this baby food maker, I gotta make some baby food. So I want it fresh for our little baby Randy, and let's go ahead. First, we're gonna go ahead and put in some sweet potatoes. Now, a nice thing about this is we can just put just enough for 1 or 2 meals to where everything stays fresh. Now we've got some chicken breast. We wanna make sure that's nice and healthy, so sweet potatoes and chicken. Might add a little bit of water in there, and let's go ahead and make him a delicious meal. Now you may be asking, Adam, how did you learn to cook so well for your baby? Well, I'm very fortunate because this device came with a little cookbook that shows you all the fun different recipes, how to make them, and what's good for your baby, whether that's carrot puree, apple puree, banana milk, all sorts that you can get right there. And we'll cover that here in the video in a moment. So it's literally just this easy. We can sterilize, we can steam, we can manual chop or auto chop, and this is going to do the work for us. It's relatively quiet, it's easy to use, and boy, what a great design. So literally within a matter of seconds, maybe a minute, we're able to make our puree for our baby. Of course, it's got a lot of functions here, and we'll cover that all in the video. So with that being said, now that we've made our sweet potato and chicken puree for our baby, let's tell you all about this product so you can learn all the product details and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Now, of course, folks, one of the things that I like so much about this is how quickly you can make things like apples, oranges, pears, pineapple, leeky, onions, spinach, cabbage, everything in between. I'm talking a matter of about 15 minutes, you can make a beautiful puree. Salmon, tomatoes, cabbage, spinach, green beans, plums. You can make a delicious snack, food, or meal for your baby, and it's quick and efficient. And on top of that, you can do things like chicken, beef, mutton, carrots, and potatoes in about 25 minutes. That is so quick and so efficient. And yeah, this is a healthy way to make sure that the food is fully steamed, that it's chopped appropriately, and it's easy for them to digest. Now, with my buddy Watson, he's coming to visit, and we want to make sure that he's got plenty of baby food for his babies, Jim, Dwight, and baby Michael Scott, the newest of the bunch. I want to make sure they have plenty of snacks. So, thankfully, we picked this up, and we were kind of newbies when it came to making our own baby food. But this made it so easy that even a novice like myself could jump right in. And the thing that I like so much is that when you're putting things like apples and pears and peaches and pineapples and carrots and potatoes, you know that your baby's getting all the nutrients. I like to take a little sweet potato, mix it in there with a little bit of carrots, and you can really get a great little snack for your baby, making sure they're comfortable and well fed and gaining weight like they're supposed to. Now, let me tell you that this company has been making high quality products that they stand behind, and they're a company that cares about babies, and that matters. Folks, when it comes to care about babies, you don't want to trust your food to just any company. This is a company that has thought about locking in nutrients, about safety, about design issues that other companies that are just mass producing products are not thinking about. And that's where Grownsy really stands apart from the competition. They're making high quality products that are not just durable, reliable, and responsibly sourced, but they're doing the right thing for your children, and they're going to last from baby to baby to baby. Now, Watson has been using Grownsy products with all 3 of his children. And fortunately, when he buys one, he can use it for the second and third kid because they don't wear out. Those blades remain sharp. The quality remains good. They're easy to clean. They're easy to wipe out. And they just keep going. So, folks, I couldn't recommend this more than I do. They're a great brand, and we definitely suggest picking one up. Now, folks, one of the very nice things about this brand is that they give you a real breakdown, not just the time you need to steam, say apples, oranges, peaches, pears, but they also give you the role of the different nutrients. So vitamin A will promote growth, improve resistance to infectious disease, and protect vision. Vitamin B1 will regulate the gastrointestinal issues, enhance absorption, etc. B2, vitamin C, everything that they could possibly be eating. And then they show you different things that you can pick out to make sure you're getting those nutrients, like a carrot puree. That's probably something we all need to be taking in, right? An apple puree or a spinach, a banana puree. That sounds delicious. So they've got a lot of options for you, and they show you exactly what you need to do to cook those easily and efficiently. So folks, what we've decided to do is we've gone ahead and we're making kind of an apple sauce for our baby. We've diced up some carrots. We've added a little bit of water, and we're just going to let this do all the work for us. We've got it in the auto mode, and that's really nice. But a real bonus here is that we can also go ahead and we can use the manual mode to do this as well. So you can see it's doing all the work for us. It's determining what the right consistency is. This is easy to use, of course, as a steam feature and a sterilization feature, all at a push of a button. And in the case where we want to go ahead and steam our food, maybe that's vegetables, the steaming button is just a push away, and we can let it do all of the work for us. And folks, something else that I want to point out that's super fun about this device is it doesn't just have to be for babies. If you've got pretty much anyone in the household, you want to make a little smoothie, you want to make a little icy dessert, whatever it may be, you can mix that up for them as well and make a delicious concoction or snack. So you can use this to kind of make your own snacks as well. And kind of the options are limitless. We've got like a banana and milk with a little bit of sugar for me. This made it absolutely perfectly. So Amy and I can use this for making our own little concoctions, our health drinks. She likes to take a little bit of spinach. She likes to take a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of sweet potato, and a little bit of coconut milk. She'll mix that together. I'm kind of more into a milk and banana mix. But there's almost unlimited options and capabilities that this baby food maker can do for you. Of course, in terms of our little apple mix, that's pretty good. Your little baby will thank you with their giggles, their good health, and their great nutrition. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. It's absolutely time to go pick one up, and it's time to get to shopping. I know this kind of only touches on the thousands and thousands of things that you can make here, but it's really an unlimited design that really you can make so many different delicious things for your toddlers, for your babies, for your older ones, and even for yourself. Folks, thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you, but it's absolutely time to get to shopping. Adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for an up-close portion of the video. This is a favorite part of the video by a lot of our fans because they get to see the packaging, they get to see the product up close and personal, and everything in between. So you can see you have steam, sterilize, manual, and auto. You've got this big mixer blender bowl right here, and everything you need right in front of you. So it's got the Nutra-locking steam to save and make sure that all of your nutrients are saved. The food turns into puree in seconds. It's safe and hygienic, and you get a custom consistency. And of course, it's by Grownsy, which is a premier company. All right, as we zoom in to give you the tech specs and the product details, you can see the product number. It's a baby food maker. 60 hertz, 120 volts, 130 watts, 200 milliliter water tank, 600 milliliter capacity cup, and stirring capacity of 300 milliliters. So you can get quite a bit of baby food out of here. So this is out of Cheyenne, Wyoming, 82001. So it's a really cool company right there in the US of A. So that's very nice. Now we're gonna open that up. Need help? It's got all the information for you. And yeah, very excited about this product for you and product for me. Now inside, we're gonna open this up. We'll check this out. Boom. Looks like a nice stirring spoon there. Flexible. Empowering modern parenting, embracing healthier growth. Baby Food Maker product user manual. And, ooh, we got all of the different stages of development. Potato, carrots, corn, cucumber, purified water. Wexgard gruel with meat. We have liver, conjus vegetables, and congee with vegetables, or beef oatmeal, just a lot of different options. Look at all these different options for your little sweet potato. You can have sweet potatoes or whatever they're into. So we do have a very nice mix for your baby. Going inside here, whoa, okay, so very excited to see the device itself. This thing is a compact device, despite the large amounts of food that you can create with it. Okay, so we will note that there is a ground on the plug, making it ultra safe. High quality there. We can see the cap, okay, semi-translucent cap. And when you're talking about quality, this company has been making high quality products, making sure that customers feel supported and are supported from top to bottom and stem to stern. And that makes me happy, and it certainly should make you more than happy as well. Looks like that locks into place. Very nice there. And yeah, if you're looking for something that is durable, reliable, responsible, and chic, well, guess what, folks? This is a device that isn't going to break. It's durable. It's high quality. Let's peel this off together. Very satisfying. And you can see in a matter of minutes, locks into place. You can make 15 minutes for your veggies, apples, 15 minutes, 25 for your carrots. And it looks like the chicken or yams. Very nice. 25 minutes. Cool, responsible, reliable. That opens right up on top. There's your water basin. And yeah, they're allowing you to make your own foods for your babies, giving you the support and health you need. Folks, we highly recommend that it's time to go pick this up. The up close portion of the video serves an opportunity for you to see the product up close and personal in a real environment. However, it also gives you an opportunity to put the item into your cart, which is what you should be doing now before we close up this fantastic video. Again, tremendous brand, reliable, responsible, sophisticated, stylish, and chic. This is the way to make your baby, baby Michael Scott, baby Dwight, or baby Jim, as healthy as can be. Folks, go check it out. You won't be disappointed. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, but it's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.